Starting off by applying my eyeshadow guard to help it look more precise, and now applying a concealer as an eyeshadow base. Grabbing the second shadow from this Maverick palette by Revlon using my Sigma blending brush, and I have a discount code for you guys to use. I will provide it down below. I am swiping the shadow back and forth on my lid using swiping motions and also circular motions. Adding a little bit more of that shadow to intensify it. Then I'm grabbing a little bit of concealer to cut the crease. In a flat shader brush to blend everything. My second palette, I'm grabbing the Revlon Enigma palette. I'm grabbing the darkest shadow with an eyeliner brush and creating a gorgeous eyeliner with a wing. I'm grabbing the first brush that I showed you guys by Sigma and digging into that gold shade, applying it onto my lid. Now grabbing the eyeliner brush and applying this gorgeous maroon shade on top of the first purple shadow. And as you can see, when I take off my eyeshadow guard, it just looks so clean and precise. Now, I don't know if I like this step. Let me know what you guys think. I'm grabbing the Urban Decay Glide On Pencil in Alkaline and applying it to my waterline. Then grabbing that first purple shade and applying it to my bottom lash line. This is my favorite part, is grabbing this Urban Decay Heavy Metals Glitter Liner in Cowboy to bring some spark into my eyes. Applying a couple coats of the Bad Gal Bank Mascara by Benefit. For the lashes, I'm keeping it really natural and I'm using the Demi Wispies by Ardell. There you guys have this soft glam eye makeup look with a little bit of glitter. I hope you guys love this video. Please thumbs it up for more, share with your friends, and comment down below what else you guys want to see next. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.